Well, hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna do some cool new stuff. I will turn this monkey into a pretty girl. So let's get into it. So here is the progress so far. As you can see, we have made a pretty solid base. First of all, I started resizing the face structure using Liquify and Smudge tool. I painted some of the areas to maintain the even skin tone. Adjusting the face structure was a bit difficult for me, so I shifted the face part into another layer. I drew some guidelines and rough features on face and kept adjusting. I wanted to keep those eyes, so I resized them instead of drawing. Finally, I imagined the light source from upper left corner and drew shadows accordingly.